Hey guys, SBC Burlington, the EAS weather. So, just a disclaimer before the video. Just a few disclaimers. One, I apologize if you can barely hear the alerts because I'm flipping out. My apologies for that. And two, some of the alerts will not be having the best audio in the planet. Like, not very good audio to hear. So again, I apologize for that too. Anyways, here's the EAS compilation. Alert, here we go. What's happening? Whoa, what's happening? What is it? Oh. Tornado warning! Holy shit, there's a tornado warning!
Tornado warning for South Central Berks County.
That's WWJZ!
At 6:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Allentown, or near Reading, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Wait, that's WEEU! WEEU!
Source, radar indicated location. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs.
Alright, WWJZ! Wait.
Damage is likely.
Oh my god! Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Holy shit, there's a tornado warning! Tornado warning for Berks County! Holy shit, is this for Reading? Oh my god, there's a tornado warning not far away from me. I believe Reading's in the impacting area. Let me check if WWJZ is gonna go off for this. Let me check. Okay, they're not going off. Wait, WXL39 isn't going to go off. Oh wait, I think they already did. Let me check, just to be sure. Let me check. Hopefully they didn't. Alright, they already did. Dang it. Again, severe thunderstorm warning. Here we go. Alright, WNT activated. Here we go. This event's now really beginning.
Issued a severe thunder warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County,
Alright, Berks again.
until 7:30 p.m. At 6:37 p.m.
Alright.
Located near Berksboro, or 7 miles east of Reading, moving northeast.
Alright, that's WXL39.
Source, radar indicated. Intact, damage to roofs, citing trees and power lines as possible. Locations affected include Boytown, Lorraine, Birdsboro, Reason, Red Hill, Cherryville, and Gardens, Valley, Greenville, Greenway.
I'm not gonna bother catching this on WBEU. Let me see if I can see if this alert's gonna go on W.
Northeast extension between mile markers 26 and 39. The tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
Wait, there's a tornado watch?
Develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and
Tornado possible.
structures such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, and Montgomery. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for South Southard and northwestern Montgomery counties. And 6 interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of
Wait, is that WYY?
a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania.
Nope. Alright.
feet at 4 seconds and south 2 feet at 8 seconds. Tuesday night, north winds 5 to 10 knots.
Oh, here we go. Whoa, severe thunderstorm. All right. What is happening? Another one.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, a severe thunderstorm is southeast of Willow Street, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Impact, damaged roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Homeville.
I called it SCR for Chester County.
Cochranville, Cheney, Fairvale, West Grove, Malvern, West Goshen, West Down, Mount Vernon, Washington, Devon, Berwyn, Oxford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued
I mean, Delaware's next to Philly. Special Marine warning. Special Marine warning. Here we go. All right, let's go. Another alert. Oh wait, WNG is not going to activate.
The Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for.
Let's see if I can get WXK.
Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to Northeast Maryland. Maryland in At 8:01 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dobbins Island to near Fort Washington, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels.
Now.
Locations impacted include Choptank River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Black Onet Point, Greenberry Point, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Severn River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Parsons Island, Pinehurst, Gibson Island, Love Point, Baltimore Light, Romancook, Mattapique, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, and Ken Narrows Bridge. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
All right. Another one in the book.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast
right.
for Upper
Another
Delaware Bay,
alert.
issued at 7.
WRVA, Spirit Marshal. SVR again. Third.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, central Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in
KW35.
Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the County extending from Oliver to Germantown, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in both and penny-size hail.
That's me.
Source, radar indicated.
WWJZ.
Intact, damage to roof, cellar, street, and power lines if possible. Locations intended include Cornwalls Heights, Eddington, West Numming, Holmesville, Richardsville, Florence, Arlington, Lombard. Princeton.
Every station's going off. Alright, well. Let me see if WJLK will activate.
State 195 of New Jersey between my...
Nope.
Garden State. One interior room on the...
Help. 2-minute mark. Marine warning.
Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland, West Point, Virginia, Tangier Sound, inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 10:15 p.m. At 8:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles east of Popes Creek to near Breton Bay to near Namimi Bay, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 48 knots. Source, buoy and land observations. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Greenwell State Park, Choptank River, Hooper Island Light, St. Leonard Creek, Cuckold Creek, North Beach, Drum Point, James Island. The targets, Richland Point Buoy, Blacklenet Point, Tillman Island, Chesapeake Beach, and Taylor's Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
How many times are you going to do that?
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the...
Another alert, severe thunderstorm. What is this?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Sussex County in southern Delaware, southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware, Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, northeastern Carolina.
That's going to be WWJZ. Are you kidding me?
Central Sussex County in southern Delaware, southwestern northern Delaware, Kent County, central Delaware, Queen County in northeastern northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, western Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Salem County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hollywood Beach to near Centerville.
No.
5 hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Hartley, Greensboro, Barclay.
This was an overperforming risk tonight.
Newport Meadows, Highland Acres, Morton, Delaney Corner, Crumpton, Dover Speedway, Sandtown, Viola, Cecil, Camden, and Kenton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, and a special marine warning interrupted. Are you kidding me? Thank you so much, Mount Holly. Thank you so much, Sterling, or whoever issued this. Delaware Bay.
At 8:57 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Northeast River to near Chester River.
I was listening to WWJZ. Thank you so much for interrupting me.
Wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar.
Alright, let me hear the end of the SVR. Oh, and it's already gone. Great.
Sea breeze, Epac Island, Bowers Beach.
Thank you so much, KIH.
Stony Point, Ship John Shill Light.
You made me miss the end of the KI,
Point,
the PH.
Water Beach.
Well, another overperforming slight.
Here is the official national extending from Brunswick to Newcastle.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Cecil.
35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, automated surface weather observations.
Oh.
Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways are blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. And secured light objects may become projectiles.
SVR for Cecil.
Locations impacted include Warwick, Rangewood, Bohemia's Mills, and Garots. For your protection, move to an
Wish
interior room
KIH
on the
28
lowest
would give
floor of a
me
building.
a more warning.
Repeating, severe thunderstorm warning issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties: Cecil, Maryland. For National Weather Service p.m. At 9:13 p.m., severe
SVR. I got it on KIH. Let me get it on WWJZ real quick before I leave for the night. Let me get it a little more on KIH.
Until 2 p.m. for the following counties: in Delaware, Kent, and Sussex, in the following counties: in Maryland, Caroline, Queen Anne, and Galway.